What's up, guys? Giant Midget here, and I believe I have received my ghost camera, and in my messy shop here, we're gonna do an unboxing. And I'm feeling under the weather today, so the audio is probably not gonna be the greatest here. Let me find a knife. It's a good knife here. I got lots of knives. I'll use my custom homemade knife here. Check that out. Oh yeah. So Ghost S. Oh, that's pretty. Let's figure out how to open this here. Looks like I'm not done with the knife. So there's the drift camera. And the remote probably needs to be charged. Yeah. And the nifty little carrying case. And I already got a microphone. Wasn't sure if this came with one or not, so yeah, no microphone, so good job on that. Looks like it has everything in it. Stickers, and there's the back plate that I'll be putting on there. I don't need the waterproof one. Battery, the adapter, which will come in handy, and a charger, clip, and the two mounting plates here. Some people have had some trouble with this not clicking into place. Feels like it works good. It's a little difficult to get in and out of there. So we got a curved and a flat. No, I think I'm gonna actually put some Velcro on this one and use that as my car mount. And then this one will go on my helmet. So cool. Let's remove this puppy. Oh, that is so cool. It's so cute. Damn, that is tiny. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Alright, let's pull this back lid off. battery hatch works perfect. Slide that bad boy in there. I don't have, oh, I gotta get my SD card. Turns on. Excellent. I'll have to pause here, put my card in, and get it mounted on the helmet, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the helmet, and I'll show you my setup.
Okay, guys.
Right, thanks.
Well,
I'll see you right back.
Get crap out of the way. Alright, so I got it mounted, and I already noticed an issue. The mic that I got and spent so much time putting in, it's the wrong size jack. Should be that size. So even though on Amazon it says that it's the drift mic, it's the wrong size. So I will be ordering a different one, which blows because now I have no mic. So yeah. Alrighty then. Well, better get to ordering. Alright, but that's how it looks. And it is off to the side a little bit, but I checked the camera angle and it works pretty good. It rides a little cockeyed on my helmet because it has to mount pretty low. But this is my head position while riding, so the camera sits just right. All right, so yeah, that's my setup so far. I'm gonna get that mic fixed and get my first video up. All right, guys, take it easy.